In this video, I'm going to show you how to refer on Bybit. To get started, first thing that you'll need to do is to open the Bybit app on your device and sign in to your Bybit account. Now click on the top left corner of your screen and you'll get redirected to your profile section. Now in here, go ahead and click on the invite friends button, which you'll find beside the security button. So go ahead and click on the invite friends button, and in here you'll be able to find your referral code and referral link. Go ahead and copy your referral code or referral link and send it to your friends using different social media platforms. As for each sign up, will give you a 20% commission which you can withdraw and invest on Bybit for different cryptocurrencies. As you can see in here, in this section, you'll be able to find all of the sign-ups, commission that you've had on the platform if you have one. And that's how you can simply refer on Bybit. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.